This is my code for Kangaroo. So when you press the green flag, it will go to this place. When you press the key A, it will move 5 steps, and then change Y by 20, and then 5 steps, change Y by 20, and then 5 steps, change Y by 20. So it will repeat this as 5 times. The good thing about this is that I added a play sound pop, so you can just by listening to the pop sound, you can know how many times it repeats. And then the problem that I'm having was that when I was trying to add a turn right 15 degrees and also a set X to negative 160, it just showed a different, very weird situation. Like this part like this, and then it will flip to the opposite side. So this is the part I'm confusing, and then if I remove these, it doesn't go back, so I have no idea what happened. But yeah, this is the part that I'm still trying to fix. And then for Grasshopper, as you can see, it's already staying like this. I have no idea what's happening. So let me show you how this goes. When you click on the green, it should be straight, but I don't know what happened, why it's upside down. So when you press on A, it should move. It has a pop sound, move 10 steps, wait for 1 second, turn 15 degrees, change X by 10, and then wait for 1 second. So yeah, this is the code. It should go something like this, but I don't know why it's doing upside down. I think that's another problem that I need to fix. And then I realized that there's a very interesting thing. It's like switching the background. You can switch it to jungle, and then click on it. You can just switch it. It's really interesting. You guys can try it in the code. And then for the B, it will my code is like this. When you press on 6, it will have a buzz sound, switch costume, turn 45 degrees, wait for 1 second, and then switch to another costume, move 10 steps, and then wait for 1 second, change to another costume, wait for 1 second, and then it repeats. So you can see that it's going in a circle. Yeah, the thing that I was working on with this was when I was trying to move the X bigger, it's getting very big, and I had no idea how to cancel it. So I restarted with the code, but right now I fixed it to this one, to my final code. Yeah, thank you for listening.